Hello everyone and welcome back to Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 20 euro cents coin from Greece. Dated 2002. On the obverse side, this coin features Ioánnis Kapodístrias, the first governor of independent Greece, surrounded by the 12 stars of the European Union. You'll see his name engraved in Greek, along with the year 2002 and the denomination 20 lambda epsilon pi tau alpha. The reverse side shows the common European Union map, symbolizing the unity of member countries, with the value 20 euro cent clearly displayed. This coin is struck in Nordic gold, a durable alloy of copper, aluminum, zinc, and tin, and has a fleur espagnole edge with 7 deep grooves. While most 2002 Greece 20-cent coins are common in circulation, high-grade uncirculated coins, or those with minting errors, can be more valuable to collectors. Always check your coins for off-center strikes, weak details, or unusual marks. These small details can make your coin rare. If you enjoy learning about coins like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support the channel Rare Coins and Lost Antique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.